Can you let us know which part of your body is feeling discomfort?
I have this pain from the neck and then to the shoulder, and then there's the numbness on this finger.
Can you put your hand up? Do you feel the pain like this?
The numbness is there.
How about the pain?
Pain is now if I bring it up, then the pain on the neck is lesser. But if I put it down, then the pain is more.
Oh, put it down, the pain is more.
Here. Here. No pain. Okay. Here. No pain.
Okay, now we proceed to the elbow Yuan Shi Dian.
Nhiều không?
How do you feel right now?
I think the pain is more or less normal. The numbness also maybe still have 10%, 30%.
So can I conclude your improvement from the neck to the shoulder is how many percent? 80 to 90%. No more pain. Very lightly, is it? How about your numbness? How many percent improvement?
About 80 also.
About 80%.
Sometimes right after antui, there's improvement of the symptom, but after a while, then why it reoccur? Yeah, you need to actually treat from the root cause. So what is the root cause? Sun and heat energy deficiency. So that's why after antui, if you feel the improvement, you must also understand there is another very important health maintenance methods where you need to actually implement in your daily life. You cannot just rely on the antui.